So in the recent days, we are seeing more and more foldable smartphones coming out. Samsung and Huawei are the latest tech giant to announce their foldable smartphones. But is foldable smartphone really the future? Should you even buy it? Well, that's what we will see in this video. So let's get going. First of all, let's see how foldable phone became reality. Back in 2013, when Samsung announced their flexible OLED display technology, we knew something was coming.
So instead of glass, so it won't break even if it's dropped, and we can actually bend the screen. Imagine the products you could design with this.
And also in the recent few years, we knew Samsung was working on foldable smartphone. As a result, we saw Galaxy Fold in 10th anniversary of S series smartphone. Soon after that, their competitors Huawei also announced their own foldable smartphone called Mate X. However, the first company to release foldable smartphone was a small company called Royal back in late 2018. That's enough history. Now let's see the future. Does foldable smartphone have future or not? Well, the way we see is has got lots and lots of potential since very big tech giants are working hard in it for past few years. Imagine having a single computing device that can work as laptop in your desk, tablet in your bed, smartphone in your pocket, and a smartwatch in your hand. Pretty cool, isn't it? Well, that's what the likely future we are heading towards, and the announcement of foldable phone are very key to it. The foldable display and technology can be very crucial to that ultimate computing machine. For gaming experience, portability, and media consumption, these foldable phones are dream come true. So there is definitely the future, but there will be many obstacles to achieve the ultimate phone we are talking here, and we really don't hope it will end up like the smartphone from LG few years back called LG G5. Yup, that modular phone with swappable batteries and those stops. Now let's see, should we buy this foldable phone right now? The answer is pretty simple. Hell no. First of all, it is first generation smartphone, and we don't know how durable is that foldable screen in day-to-day use. Up to now, we don't even have case for it, and it's freaking frightening expensive, which will set you back around the average of $2,000. Yeah, you heard it right, $2,000, which is crazy expensive for this smartphone. All we can do right now is wait and let's see if other competitors come out with cheaper options. But right now, it's totally not good value for your money. But if you want it and you have enough, you know what, then you go for it. Nobody's gonna stop you. So the future, it definitely has with backing of the big companies and the competitions. But should you buy one in 2019? A big no. Well, that's basically it for this video. Subscribe and share the video if you loved it. Dislike if you hate it. Thank you everybody. Have a great day.